The Xiaomi POCO X7 Pro is a mid-range smartphone that offers a compelling mix of performance, features, and value. Here's a detailed breakdown of its pros, cons, and special features. For pros, powerful performance. The MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra processor provides excellent performance for smooth multitasking, gaming, and demanding applications. Stunning display. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision support offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth visuals for an immersive viewing experience. Long battery life and fast charging. The massive 6550 mAh battery provides excellent battery life, and the 90W fast charging can quickly replenish the battery. Premium build and durability. The phone features a premium build with Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection and an IP69 rating for dust and water resistance. Good connectivity. It offers a wide range of connectivity options, including 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3. Dual SIM support accommodates to nano SIM cards. For cons, limited camera versatility. The dual camera setup lacks versatility compared to phones with more lenses like a dedicated telephoto or macro lens. Bloatware. The software may come with some pre-installed bloatware. AI features need improvement. Some AI features may need further optimization for complex tasks. Ultra-wide camera quality. The ultra-wide sensor may produce photos with less detail compared to the main camera. Special features. HyperOS. The POCO X7 Pro runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS, which offers a refined user interface, improved performance, and enhanced features. Liquid cool technology. The phone features liquid cool technology to help dissipate heat and maintain performance during intensive use. High refresh rate display with Dolby Vision. The combination of a high refresh rate and Dolby Vision support provides a premium viewing experience for videos and games. Overall, the Xiaomi POCO X7 Pro is a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. It offers excellent performance, a stunning display, long battery life, and fast charging. While it has some minor drawbacks, its strengths outweigh its weaknesses, making it a great value for the price. Important note, some reviews mention that the POCO X7 Pro comes with HyperOS 2 and Android 15, while the regular POCO X7 comes with HyperOS 1 and Android 14. This difference in software versions could be a significant factor for some users, as it may affect the longevity of software updates. I recommend checking detailed reviews and comparisons from reputable sources before making a purchase decision.